Okay, I'm on remove.bg. Remove image background, free. An online editor for removing the background from an image. Okay, so I'm going to try this now. Totally free. Looks okay. So select photo or enter a uniform resource locator. So I'm going to select a photo. I've downloaded a couple of photos I thought looked good. Let's see if it works. Okay. Downloaded 3 here. Wanted to try 3 or 4 from Blade Runner. It's Anna de Armas or something. Forgotten her name. Okay, so let's try this one. A JPEG. Let's double click on that. It says 5 seconds. So let's give that a go. Okay, I think that's a loading bar there. But it's longer than 5 seconds. I think I'll pause for a second. Okay, that took a couple of minutes, wasn't 5 seconds, but here we are, just below the main header. Original image and image without background. So it works, it captures the human image that maybe been layered on. Maybe that's how it works it out. Image without background, I'm gonna guess. But then how would it do it from a photo? Don't know. They wouldn't all be layered images. Okay. I'm going to try it again with another image. Select a photo. I'm going to try another one. I'm going to try this. Okay. Same film, same actress. I'm going to open this one up. And I'm going to pause again. Okay, waited a couple of minutes. The second image didn't come up. Now I'm just thinking, do I have to delete away on that? Not sure. Nothing's coming up. Let me try that. Deleted that. Now I'm going to select the second photo. I want to try it again on another picture. Okay, I'm selecting that one. Lovely picture of her. Let's open that. I'm going to have to pause for a minute. Okay, it's worked after a few minutes. I think it was my connection actually, my internet connection. I came off the site and come on it again, tried another image, and it's worked again. Original image, image without background. Okay, fair enough. Okay, got got two of them there for clicking twice. But okay, so there's a download button here. So let's see if I can download that. Okay. What do you want to do with it? Okay, so that's worked okay. So I'm going to save that. Finish downloading. It says open that. Might not show the kind of alpha layer. It's going to go up. Okay, got it last. There it is. So got the image without any background. So it's able to always select the human image. So it's a nice way of getting rid of the background. Let's see if that works on an image editor. I'm going to try and use it on GIMP and give it a background. Okay, let me pause a second. Okay, just opened up GIMP, the image editor I use. So I'm going to open up a background image. The other day I saved this image, which is the colour of the year, Pantone's colour of the year, living coral. Okay, so what I could do is get rid of the text there. So tools, color picker, click on anywhere and then back to tools, selection tools, paint tools. Just go for paintbrush and okay, let's open as layers. I want to open a layer, so a new layer. Nope, no, I don't mean that. I mean file. Open as layers in the file. And I want to open. Ah, no. I don't know what I saved it as. Oh, that. Got the remove.bg on. Okay. And there you are. So how do I get that out? Like, double click. Huh. Right then. And there you are. So I'm able to give her a different background. Nothing exciting there. Nothing exciting there. But you could put on any background you wanted. So file, overwrite. Yeah, okay, overwrite that one. Overwritten. So I've changed the background with remove.bg. Seems easy enough. Very handy little tool. And I'm able to change the image. Yeah, nice little tool. It would take a lot longer on Photoshop or GIMP to do that, because you'd have to go around all the edges. You'd have to go around all the edges, getting it exact as you could with the tools. So nice little quick way of doing it, nice shortcut.